Hi there, Troy Thompson with Pinnacle Insurance Agency of Minnesota. A lot of people ask me if they should have high liability limits, and my answer to that is a resounding yes. Liability limits are there to protect you from financial ruin. We recommend at Pinnacle Insurance Agency of Minnesota 500,000 combined single limit liability limits. On top of that, you should probably get an umbrella, but definitely if you want great advice from a great independent insurance agency, reach out to Pinnacle Insurance. We're the best insurance agency in the state of Minnesota with the most 5-star Google reviews. Watch this video now.
Protecting your loved ones is everything. That's why you can't trust it to just anybody.
Ryan, how many Google reviews are we at?
We are at 502 5-star Google reviews, Troy.
You need a team dedicated to protecting you from threats of financial ruin. With over 500 5-star Google reviews and counting, we provide the most competitive home and auto insurance in the Twin Cities. We are an independent agency, which means you have options from over 20 carriers, which provide you the best rates and value. When protecting your family is on the line, leave it to Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota.